In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord keeps freezing on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Discord and then click onto user settings on the bottom left hand corner of the page. Then from here, we need to look for the advanced tab. So scroll down and look for advanced, or you can just do a search and type in hardware acceleration in advance. So basically we need to go ahead and make sure to disable that and then click on change and restart. Next fix is to clear your Discord cache. So on your Windows, in your keyboard, click on your Windows key and R. That's going to open up run. Now we need to type in app data with % either side and click on OK. Then from there, we want to go ahead and search for, now you should get into your folders, your app data folders, if you click on OK, but for me, it's glitching out. So what we can do as well, because this is a fix, so type in explorer.exe space app data, then that should open up your folders here like so. Then from there, we need to go ahead and look for Discord. So go ahead and find your Discord folders and just basically delete any Discord folders. So yeah, click in the Discord. And now once we're inside, we need to go ahead and delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache as well. If you see GPU cache, just delete those three. And then go ahead and restart Discord. Now next fix is to go ahead and update Discord. So open up Discord and press Control and R. And what this is going to do, this is going to force Discord to update. Another fix is to go ahead and update your graphics card driver. So outdated drivers can cause freezes, especially with the Discord overlays. So we need to get into Device Manager. Now once Device Manager is open, we need to go ahead and expand Display Adapters. And here's my graphics card here. So I want to right click it, click on Update Driver, search automatically for drivers. Now if there are any updates, go ahead and update those drivers.